Welcome to the Surf's Up simulation. Select the green button on the faucet on the left side of the screen to begin producing waves. You can use the frequency slider to change the frequency of the waves and the amplitude slider to modify the wave's amplitude. To measure the wavelength of the waves, select the tape measure from the top menu and drag it onto the screen. Select the pause button on the bottom of the screen. Place one crosshair on the darkest part of the wave and drag the other crosshair to the nearest other darkest part of the wave. To measure the height of the waves, select the water level from the top menu and drag it onto the stage. Place the dark crosshair on the darkest part of the wave and drag the light crosshair to the lightest part of the wave. The period of the wave may be determined by measuring the length of time shown on the water level between two adjoining wave crests. Select the Side View button to view the waves from the side instead of from the top. Select the orange Reset button on the bottom right side of the screen to return the screen to its original state.